Kylie Jenner is on the move, guys. The allegedly pregnant 20-year-old flew to Houston with baby daddy Travis Scott recently to hang out in his hometown. The couple also went out for pizza and managed to go unrecognized, an eyewitness told a leading daily. Kylie and Travis came in right after the lunch rush. There were only about 8 people total in the restaurant. They came in at the perfect time because no one was in there. They both came in together and Kylie ordered a pepperoni pizza, and then she and Travis walked back to the car with their guards. The guards then came back in and paid for the pizza and picked it up. While the eyewitness didn't see any PDA between the pair, Travis did come in and retrieve Kylie's cell phone after she left it on the counter. What a gentleman! Hollywood Nowers, how would you react if you saw Kylie in your local pizza place? Would you try to get a selfie with her or an Insta story video maybe? Share your thoughts with us and hit that subscribe button now. What do you think?